Let's cut to the chase. You've probably heard about YNAB, right? The budgeting app that promises to change your financial life. And one of the biggest questions people have is, does it automatically import my credit card transactions? I get it. We live in a world of instant gratification. We expect our emails, our social media feeds, even our bank balances to update automatically. So, it's natural to wonder if YNAB is as magical as that. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not quite that simple. YNAB does have a feature that allows you to link your accounts, but it doesn't work like magic. It's more like a helpful assistant who needs a little guidance. Let's break it down. What is automatic import? First, let's clarify what we mean by automatic import. In this context, we're talking about YNAB pulling in your credit card transactions directly from your bank or credit card company without any manual intervention from you. YNAB and automatic import. So, does YNAB do this? Well, kind of. YNAB offers a feature called linked accounts. When you link your credit card account, YNAB can pull in transaction data. But here's the catch, it doesn't automatically categorize these transactions for you. You still need to assign each transaction to a category in your budget. Think of it like this, YNAB is a great chef, but it needs you to tell it which ingredients go into which dish. It can gather the ingredients, your transactions, but it can't automatically decide whether they belong in the salad or the soup. Why doesn't YNAB do all the work? You might be wondering why YNAB doesn't just categorize everything for you. Well, there are a few reasons for this. Personalization, everyone's spending habits are different. What's a dining out expense for one person might be entertainment for another. Accuracy, automatic categorization can be error-prone. It's better for you to review each transaction and ensure it's categorized correctly. Mindfulness, the process of categorizing your spending, can be a powerful tool for increasing financial awareness. How to make the most of YNAB's import feature. While YNAB doesn't do all the heavy lifting, linking your accounts can still save you time. Here's how to make the most of it. Regularly check for new transactions. YNAB will notify you when new transactions are available. Categorize transactions promptly. The sooner you categorize transactions, the easier it will be to stay on top of your budget. Take advantage of import rules. YNAB allows you to create rules for automatically categorizing certain types of transactions. The bottom line. YNAB is a powerful tool for taking control of your finances, but it's not a magic bullet. While the automatic import feature is helpful, it's essential to understand that you still need to be actively involved in managing your budget. So, does YNAB automatically import credit card transactions? Technically, yes. But does it do all the work for you? No. By understanding how the import feature works and taking an active role in managing your budget, you can harness the full potential of YNAB and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.